how I survived on a salary of 2,500 rands per month. Okay, this is how the story goes like. So I was working as a clinical engineering intern, like CET intern. So I went to Zim. I went home for quite some time, and then when I came back, the job was no longer mine. So I got fired, I guess, and then after that, my friend took me in. After she took me in, I then went back home, and then I came back January 2024, and then I started again. Now I was starting from scratch. I wasn't working, I wasn't doing anything. So what I do best is like what I've known for quite some time now was tutoring. So what I did was I then started marketing myself as a tutor again, and then after marketing myself as a tutor, I then started getting in contracts and side jobs, like just tutoring part-time. So at one particular point, sometimes you do get students. Remember, for tutoring you do get students, sometimes you don't have students. So in a month, like the basic salary was 2,500. So that's the salary that I managed to survive on. So for that basic salary of 2,500, this is what I did. My rent was for 900 rands, and then after paying rent for 900 rands, remember now you have 2,500 minus 900, and then I use a train. So a train for a trip, it's actually 7 rands 50 from where I'm staying to come to CBD. So I would use a train to go to the student's place, and then avoid using Uber, avoid using like those expensive transport fares, like transport vehicles, so that you can save up. And it actually worked, because I would pay my rent, I'll be able to eat, and I would go and buy groceries in bulk. Like I would go to, root stores, those butcher stores in the mall, at the mall. So I would go there, and when I get there, I would buy meat in bulk. Like I would buy meat in bulk, maybe buy those combos, meat, sausage, a lot of things, and then just buy it in bulk. After buying it in bulk, and then I bought small plastic bags, like those small packs, and then I would start packing the meat inside there. After packing the meat inside there, every day you just take one packet and then eat. And it actually helped me save a lot, because I used to even have I could buy the meat for maybe 300, 400 for the whole month, and then during a week you can just add maybe tomatoes, vegetables, fruits, and all that. But the basic things, you would have bought them in bulk. So the thing was, I used to buy my stuff in bulk.